Ever pondered on the perplexing question, if you were to replace all the parts of a ship, one by one, would it still remain the same ship? And what if you were to construct a new ship using the old parts? Which one would you call the original? Hello everyone, and welcome to Reality Radar, the channel where we explore the most mind-blowing concepts in science and philosophy. I'm your host, Lavish, and today we're going to talk about the essence of the Ship of Theseus Paradox, a conundrum that has been baffling philosophers for centuries. The Ship of Theseus Paradox originates from the ancient Greek lore. Theseus, a legendary hero, had a ship. Over time, as the wooden parts of his ship started to decay, they were replaced one by one. Eventually, there came a point when not a single original piece remained in the ship. This led to a profound question: is it still the Ship of Theseus? Let's take this a step further. Imagine if someone collected all the old parts and used them to build another ship. Now, we have two ships, one with all the new parts and one with all the old ones. Which one, then, is the Ship of Theseus? The one that has been continuously sailing and maintained, or the one rebuilt with the original discarded parts? This paradox isn't just about ships. It's a question that touches the very core of identity and change. It forces us to question our understanding of what makes something what it is. Is it the material components that make up an object? Or is it something else? History, continuity, or perhaps the concept itself? Take, for instance, a person. Over the years, human cells die and new ones take their place, effectively replacing every cell in our bodies over a span of 7 to 10 years. Does this mean we become a different person every decade? Or is our identity something more than just the sum of our physical parts? In the world of technology, this paradox also finds relevance. If you were to replace every piece of your computer, would it still be the same computer? Or would it become a new one? The Ship of Theseus Paradox is a thought experiment that challenges our notions of identity, continuity, and change. It asks us to consider whether an object retains its identity even when all of its components have been replaced. It also poses a question about the importance of continuity and history in defining what an object is. To sum up, the Ship of Theseus Paradox is a philosophical conundrum that asks, if all parts of a ship, or anything for that matter, are replaced, does it remain the same? And if you were to assemble a new entity with the old parts, which one is the original? It's a question that forces us to examine our understanding of identity, continuity, and change. This conundrum doesn't provide easy answers. But that's the beauty of philosophy, isn't it? It nudges us to think, question, and explore the depths of our understanding. So the next time you find yourself replacing something piece by piece, remember the Ship of Theseus and take a moment to ponder over the mysteries of identity and change.